So keep money at the back of your mind or out of your mind. Okay. You should be out there trying to get some real world experience and learning and not try to look at fattening your bank balance. Because even if you do get paid, what would you get paid? 5, 10, 15,000? That is not going to fatten your bank balance. So be careful and please straighten out your priorities as you go hunting for an internship. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my internship series talk. Today it's about the programs, the internship program, and how to get there. So you'll find that a number of police departments across various states have started internship programs. The oldest such program, of course, which I know about, is the Gurgaon Police program. There is, of course, Kerala Police, Delhi Police, and others. Of course, they do not. These police departments would not hire you, but remember that the experts who come out lecture over there, they are the potential hirers. So don't just sit through the lecture. You can start your ethical journey to network with these persons right away. And the best time, and it's the best time because you have FaceTime with them. And it's a very small, I would say, uh, you know, it's a small unit, not many people over there. So you have a good opportunity. And besides them, of course, they, as well as other companies and all, are also doing internships. They take interns till for about 3 months. Everyone has different rules. So, of course, the police departments don't pay you, but you do get a wealth of experience because you have got different experts who come there and lecture. So you'll have a wealth of experience across the domain, various domains of cybersecurity, forensics, cybercrime, investigation, information security, VAPT, this, that, or whatever, right? And whereas, of course, when you get into a company, over there you would be on a project and stuff like that, and it's a very different ballgame altogether. So, like I said, everyone has different rules. We'll stay on the company part of it, and some companies pay you, some don't. Payments vary from nothing. Some may not pay you at all and upwards. But this should be the last item on your mind when you are trying to fund for a internship. Do not ask what will you pay me. Ask what you will get. So, because simple thing is that uh, my perspective, of course, is that you should be looking at getting some real world experience in those 2 or 3 months which you will be over there, and possibly land up a placement offer also by virtue of your hard work and your good work over there. So keep money at the back of your mind or out of your mind. Okay. You should be out there trying to get some real world experience and learning and not try to look at fattening your bank balance. Because even if you do get paid, what would you get paid? 5, 10, 15,000? That is not going to fatten your bank balance. So be careful and please straighten out your priorities as you go hunting for an internship. Okay. I was paying good. I don't pay good anymore. Well, that's a different story altogether. We talk about it when you meet me. For any company, for anybody, the effort to get work out of an intern is a lot more, is a lot in terms of, because that is the, what you know, what you don't know, and how you step into the company's work ethic and this thing. But the output, of course, a lot of times may or may not be usable. But normally nobody will tell you that. They will always say that yes, you've done a good job and whatever and whatever. So in any case, please remember what I had said in my first video. Grab any such opportunity. Then work hard. Okay. Keep your eyes, ears, nose, and senses on high alert. Always absorb everything happening around you, whether it is security or people or processes or business. You may think, why should you care about something which is happening in some other department? But it is all adding to your life learning. You are in a real world, real time business, and you're seeing things happening around you. So as a security professional also, your antenna should be high up and catching all signals 24/7. So the hiring guys, that is the company or the person who is looking at you for internship, will always ask for a CV. Though it may not show much. What would your CV show as a fresher? That I was at so and so college, this, that, whatever, my CGPA, my grades, my this, that, and that is it. Or you write about some NSS or NSC or whatever you wrote over there, and you like hiking and you like dancing, and no, 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 all that is not material. Stay away from there. Everybody does that. My father is so and so, my mother is so and so. No. Be professional. Talk about your professional at qualifications, your aptitude, your attitude, and what you have achieved till now. Okay. Include pictures if possible. So we'll talk to that. We'll come to that. So because besides networking, you have to impress through this medium too, as through your CV, because your CV may pass through various different departments of different people. So you show your academic process, show your good grades, yes, school, degree, diplomas, etc., awards which you have won, yes, absolutely. Show your face, put a nice picture, but please comb your hair. The top right hand corner. Write about some papers or blogs or research. At the top, also put your name with your phone number and your email address and your location. Where are you? Where are you? Are you in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai? Where? Or in Jumri Talaya? That becomes a big thing because if you are putting out, say, something, a request to me, and I'm in Mumbai, and I would, my first question is, how will you stay here? It's not easy. So look at those areas too. You have to answer it so that the person has an answer on hand and is able to sort of come to a positive decision about you. So write about some papers or blogs or research or experiments which you have done in your college, okay, or in your home lab, but write about them briefly. Highlight the work which you have done, what you have learned, any appreciation from any industry folks which you got. Did you submit it to somebody? Any additional training? Write about any additional training which you have done, any certifications or whatever. Don't for well, certifications is something which I really don't like among freshers because most certifications are professional and they require you to have experience. And so, what do you do? I don't. That, of course, if you can substantiate that, great. Then that one para which you always write, which all CVs carry, in the beginning at the top, that is objective. Your objective. Please make it relevant. Everybody has a standard objective: growth, hard work, company. I will hard work hard for the company. I will give my life for the company. This, that, or whatever. No, nobody believes anything when anybody writes over there. But try, if you are different and you speak from your heart and your mind, do not copy paste from your friend or from the internet. Okay, make it relevant and make it real. It talks about you. It talks about what you like, what you want to do, and what you plan to achieve, maybe in the short term, long term, or whatever. So do it that way. If you go on the net, you'll find a lot of, I would say, inspiring articles which will tell you what to write and how to write. Spend time over there. Spend time. Okay. So this is all for now. The next time when we meet, I should talk about when you land the internship. So you've been successful in finding somebody. You've been successful to impress that gentleman or the lady, and you have been through the interview process, etc., etc., and now you've got the internship. So great. Good luck to you and good luck to your learning. Take care. Bye bye.